Welcome to this meditation for compassion and gratitude. This meditation can be very powerful to reduce the experience of pain in the body and emotional pain, to improve body awareness, to reduce substance use and abuse, and of course improve self-compassion, reduce depressive symptoms, and reduce symptoms of anger. Before you begin this meditation, please ensure that you are in a distraction-free environment and also that you are in a private place where you're not likely to be disturbed or interrupted, and of course not driving or operating heavy equipment. Now, to begin, make yourself comfortable, either sitting or lying. Close your eyes if you're comfortable with your eyes closed, and just bring the focus of your attention to your breath. Notice what it feels like to breathe in and out, and just take a few more deep breaths, just focusing on the sensation of your breathing. Good. Now, begin to expand your awareness past your breath to include your entire body. You can imagine your awareness as a large, bright, yellow circle that expands from your abdomen, which houses your breath, to the entire body, right from your feet and including your head. And so with the image of your entire body contained in that bright yellow circle, in your mind, just state the following. This is me. I am thankful for this body. I am thankful for this mind. I am thankful for this spirit. I am doing the best I can in life. May my body, mind, and spirit be healthy. May my body, mind, and spirit be safe. May my body, mind, and spirit be honored and loved. May I honor myself. May I love myself. And just remain still with these intentions in mind for a few more moments. And next, expand the bright yellow circle of awareness beyond you and your physical body to include a close loved one or friend with whom you have an easy relationship. Imagine the expanded circle of awareness of this individual and state the following to this individual in your mind. That is you. I am thankful for your body. I am thankful for your mind. I am thankful for your spirit. I know that you are doing the best you can in life. May your body, mind, and spirit be healthy. May your body, mind, and spirit be safe. May your body, mind, and spirit be honored and loved. I honor you. I love you. And remain still with these intentions for a few moments. And now, let's expand the bright yellow circle of awareness beyond yourself and your loved one to include liked acquaintance or friends. Just bring to mind a friend or two, an acquaintance or two. Again, someone with whom you do not have a difficult, challenging relationship. Someone with an easy relationship. Now, as you imagine the expanded circle of awareness and this individual, state the following to this individual in your mind. That is you. I am thankful for your body. I am thankful for your mind. I am thankful for your spirit. I know that you are doing the best you can in life. May your mind, body, and spirit be healthy. May your mind, body, and spirit be safe. May your mind, body, and spirit be honored and loved. I honor you. I like you. Remain still with these intentions for a few moments and just linger. And now expand the bright yellow circle of awareness beyond yourself, your loved one, your acquaintance or friend, to include an individual who you find difficult. These types of individuals may be difficult to like or difficult to relate to interact with. Imagine the expanded circle of awareness around this difficult individual and state in your mind the following. That is you. I am thankful for your body. I am thankful for your mind. I am thankful for your spirit. I know that you are doing the best you can in life. May your body, mind, and spirit be healthy. May your body, mind, and spirit be safe. May your body, mind, and spirit be honored and loved. May I understand you better. May I feel compassion toward you. I honor you. Remain still with these intentions in your mind for a few moments more, and just savor and reflect on these intentions.